Not many of you will remember, some of you may remember, the Beatles from the 1960s, 70s. Hope some of you remember the Beatles. How many people remember the Beatles, the group? Listen, no, I'm sure staff will. And one of the lead songwriters with John Lennon was Paul McCartney. And Paul McCartney has just released a new album called The Boys of Dungeon Lane and a new song called The Days We Left Behind. The Days We Left Behind. If you haven't heard that song, I really do. He's 85 years old now. His voice is a bit croaky, but the words are fantastic. The Days We Left Behind. Listen to it. It's a reflective piece, and it captures a really simple but important idea. That the days we move through routinely, often without giving them much thought, can become the ones that matter most when we look back. Days that felt ordinary at the time, days that passed quietly, days we didn't realise that would stay with us. That thought stayed with me, and it's why I thought I'd just speak to you about the theme in this song this morning. The moments that matter. When people reflect on their time at school, whether staff or students, they rarely begin with timetables, tests or results. You'll talk about the moments, friendships formed gradually, encouragement offered at the right time, both from staff and your fellow students, challenges faced, sometimes successfully, sometimes not straight away. They remember how it felt to belong, to be supported, to be part of something bigger than themselves. And when you all look back at your time at Seaford in years to come, whether you move on this year, several years from now, you will remember many things: lessons, activities, opportunities and experiences. But most clearly, you will always remember the people. The kindness that's shown to you, the friendships you made, the shared experience of being part of this community. Those are the things that last. And I thought over the holiday time, what defines Seaford? If I were asked what matters most here, really the answer is quite straightforward to me. Community always comes first. I often call Seaford a community rather than the college and the school, because we've always been a community. This is a place where people look after one another, where effort is expected, but so is care. Where individuals are encouraged to do their best and to help others to do the same. That is why ambition and kindness sit side by side in the Seaford community. Across classrooms, sport, music, drama, service, outdoor education, everybody here contributes in different ways, but to the same community. All of it is taking place here on this campus, shaped by shared values and shared purpose. And this term is an important term for everyone. For some students, it will be your final term at Seaford. For others, it's a term of significant academic focus and responsibility. And for many of you sitting here, it's just another step along your Seaford journey, an opportunity to grow, to learn, and to develop confidence. Some of you have been part of this community for many years, some almost as long as I have, starting back here in 2011. Others are earlier in that journey, but no less important to the life of this community. Wherever you are, this term matters. To those preparing for public examinations this summer, GCSEs, A-levels and other qualifications, BTECs, this is time to bring together your learning and apply it with focus and confidence. And good luck to everybody who's facing public examinations this year. To those undertaking internal examinations, this too is an opportunity to demonstrate progress, strengthen good habits and take responsibility for your learning. The message for everybody is always the same. Prepare well, stay consistent, and take pride in doing things to the best of your ability. Because the best is always good enough, because you can't do better than your best. But Seaford is never defined by learning alone. The term offers opportunities outside the classroom, sport, music, drama, CCF, outdoor education, all the other activities which Seaford offers. These opportunities matter because they build confidence, they shape character, and they create memories and stay with you long after all your individual lessons will fade. So my encouragement is simple. For students of all ages, take part, enjoy the journey, commit fully, and make the most of what is in front of you. Shaping the days ahead. The ideas of the days we leave behind is important. And Paul McCartney writes in his songs, nobody can ever erase the days you leave behind. Nobody can ever erase the days you leave behind. But this is only half of the story, because the way you feel about those days in the future is shaped by what you choose to do now. The effort you give today shapes the opportunities you earn tomorrow. The habits you form now shape the standards you carry forward. The way you treat people today shapes the kind of community you help to build. There is a clear connection. What you do now shapes what comes next. Whether you are here for a few more months or many more years, the choices you make this term will matter. So enjoy it. Focus on your effort, your attitude, your consistency. Work hard, keep going, approach each day with intent. As I always say, look after each other. Because strong communities are built through everyday actions, being respectful, being reliable, and having a positive impact, as I always say, both inside and outside the classroom. The days we leave behind. At the end of this term, many of you will be leaving Seaford, including yours truly standing here. Others will continue your journey here, building on what you have already begun. At the end of this term, it will be sad for many of you, including myself, but you've left a mark on the community. What matters most, however, is not any single moment or achievement. It is how the days are remembered. Not always as perfect days, but as days well used as you made a positive difference to this community. Days where efforts were made, days where kindness was shown, days where people looked after one another. Those are the days that will stand the test of time. I began this morning by mentioning Paul McCartney's song, The Days We Left Behind, because it reminded me all the days I leave behind here, and many of you will leave behind here. The days which will shape us in years to come. So as we move through these remaining weeks, let this term be a term of energy and intent, bringing commitment to your learning, giving your best even when it demands discipline. Step forward when opportunities arise in lessons and all the many co-curricular activities we offer here. But most of all, always support one another. Be ambitious for yourselves and generous with others. Because one day, when these days are behind you, when they have to become the days you have left behind, what matter most is not how easy they were, but that you chose to give the days meaning. So make the term count, make it positive, and make it something genuinely you are proud of. Thank you for listening this morning. Thank you.